Hey guys, Jasmine here. I am getting ready to unbox the Ultimate Detox from Primemybody. I picked it up while I was at the convention, and it launched about I would say a couple of months ago maybe, but I hadn't ordered it yet. I went to the convention this past weekend in Denver, and I just learned so much, and I am really all in and ready to give this a try. It is nothing like I have ever learned or experienced about detox, so I'm really super excited to do this. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox it here with you. Today will also be my day one, and it's going to be pretty amazing. So let me just kind of show you what it looks like. It's a really nice box. As you can see, it says the Ultimate Detox System. It's a two-step toxin elimination from Primemybody. The box is really nice. I was super impressed with it when I picked it up, and there is a magnet. So you can see that, so that's really neat. It's a magnet. And so when we open it up, live clear, feel clean is what it says. Let's see what's inside of it. So inside we have the protocol booklet, and it goes through everything about the actual program. It talks more about the different levels you can do. Level 1 is basically 5 days on and 2 days off. Level 2 is different cycles. Now for level 1, that's where I'm going to start out at. I just need one box, so I'll be doing that along with the hemp oil. So I'll be doing level 1. Don't want to start off too crazy. Liver Clear is the first part of the program, so this is what we take in the morning. Suggested amounts is different for everybody, but I'm going to start out with 1 teaspoon and go from there. That'll keep me at the level 1 protocol. I love the bottle. It's glass. It's really nice. It's packaged so pretty. The other item here is the Mega Binder Toxin Catcher. So this is actually basically the charcoal and clay. So if we open this box up, let's see here. Here's the different packs. So here's the packs. So how that's going to work out is I'm going to take, there's like 20 of them in there, so that's really nice. So how it's going to work out is I'm going to take the Liver Clear in the morning, and I'm going to take that, and about 30 minutes later, I'm going to mix one of these Mega Binder Toxin Catchers in some water, and then I'm going to go ahead and drink that. So the whole point of this detox is it goes to our liver, which is the difference between a lot of detoxes that you see out there with clean eating. I learned so much again about how people are doing detoxes, me included, have done in the past, but all I'm really doing is redistributing it and reabsorbing it back into my bloodstream. So there's really no true detox other than like the sweat and that kind of stuff that happens. So anywho, a little bit more information on the booklet here. Liver Clear, Mega Binder. So it has bitters, dandelion. Mega Binder has, of course, the charcoal. So the super cool thing about this is what people don't think about is all the heavy metals that we have in our system. And our doctor, what his life's work has been is how to take the actual metals out of our body. Now, we can never say that this is going to heal, cure, prevent, or anything like that. So I'm going to say this, tongue in cheek. This is something that's going to take out nearly all toxins in our body. So that speaks volumes. So again, I'll say that again. This is the type of system that is going to take nearly all toxins in our body. Super excited. I'm hearing some amazing results, not only from a physical level, but from an emotional level as well. I'm super prepared for what's gonna, I should say I'm kind of prepared for what's gonna happen. But I hear that some days are better than others. Some days I'm just going to want to rest and sleep and take it slow. Some days I'll have full energy. Some days I should be in complete bliss. So I am excited again to get on this roller coaster and see what happens. 42 years of a liver. What kind of damage have I done to it, right? So I'll keep you all posted. Hopefully this was helpful on the unboxing of the Ultimate Detox System from Primemybody. And I'll try to share my journey. Talk to you guys soon. If you have any questions, let me know. Comment below, let me know, and I'll be sharing some more information. Thanks, guys. Have a good one. Bye.